Welcome to the Rich Club channel. Please watch the video to the end, and if you like it, support the channel with a like and subscribe. Let's go. In this video you will find answers to all your Anchor related questions. You will get to know what is Anchor and what makes it so unique, and you'll discover all the details which will allow you to decide by yourself whether Anchor is a good investment or not. Before the video starts, write in the comments how much the Anchor token will cost in a month. To the one who guesses, we will transfer 2,000 tokens. I remind you that at the moment one token costs 8 cents. In total, this is a little more than $200. You will also need to like and subscribe. Anchor is designed to solve this problem by providing affordable and easily accessible cloud hosting to various blockchain nodes. Thanks to Anchor, you can own a cryptocurrency node without having to personally set up all the hardware. Anchor is one of the most promising cryptocurrencies in the blockchain ecosystem. Investors looking for attractive altcoins are becoming increasingly bullish about the massive potential of the Anchor coin. But what is Anchor really, and why is it getting so popular? ANKR is a unique cryptocurrency coin powering up the Anchor platform, a solution designed to provide crypto enthusiasts with decentralized cloud services for hosting blockchain nodes. The history of Anchor starts in 2017, when a group of tech experts from the Berkeley University in California decided to use blockchain technology to create a decentralized cloud computing platform capable of providing affordable hosting solutions for nodes of cryptocurrency networks such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Founders of Anchor include Chandler Song, who was previously responsible for Amazon Web Services, and Ryan Fang, who was an investment banker at Morgan Stanley. The combination of immense experience from both computer science and economics gave Anchor a great head start in the crypto ecosystem. Anchor supports hosting the nodes, not only of all the most popular blockchains, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance, but also of smaller networks such as Matic, Elrond, or Cosmos. Personally configuring a large number of cryptocurrency nodes all by yourself would be a nightmare with Anchor. You can simply use the decentralized cloud blockchain hosting to own over 40 different crypto nodes, without having to do any of the hard work by yourself. The Long Forecast service supports their previous forecast, namely that we should not expect a significant increase in the price of Anchor in the coming years. However, it is expected to rise to $0.4 in December of this year 2021. After that, it is assumed that the cryptocurrency will be traded in the range of $0.2 or $0.4 until 2024. We can say with confidence that Anchor has a high level of hype and a good potential for short-term investment. The ANKR has been decreasing since March 28, when it reached an all-time high price of 21 cents. Similarly to HNT, the decrease followed a descending parallel channel. The price touched the support line of the channel thrice, most recently on May 19, creating a very long lower wick with a magnitude of 55%. It is currently attempting to reclaim the middle of the channel. If successful, this would indicate that a breakout is expected. Anchor solves one of the most important issues with blockchain technology: the high requirements of running a cryptocurrency node. Running your own node is considered to be the best way to ensure maximum security and efficiency while using digital assets. However, running a blockchain node is not an easy thing. In general, running a crypto node requires 3 things: a computer that is connected to the internet all day long, a large amount of available disk space to store the entire blockchain, and a lot of technical knowledge to set up and configure the node. All these things combined unfortunately mean that most people are not able to enjoy the full potential of owning their personal cryptocurrency node. According to the forecast of Trading Beasts, Anchor will become more expensive in 2021. Today, the cryptocurrency is trading at 10 cents. By the end of the year, the price is expected to reach $0.5. It is assumed that over the next few years, the price of Anchor will not fall below 8 cents. It is also assumed that by 2023, the cryptocurrency may rise in price to $1. At the moment when the blockchain was developed, a real technological and economic revolution took place. Over time, it began to affect an increasing number of processes around the world. However, there are still a huge number of shortcomings that do not allow blockchain to fully integrate into real business. How much will Anchor cost in 2021? Write your opinion in the comments.